6K pockets, decam,
Okay.
FS7 Mark 1.
Okay.
Yeah, and any other support stuff. We have DJI Air or Mavic 3. We have those.
Yeah.
This is some equipment from New Zealand DOP, LA DOP.
Okay.
Also, they put stuff here so we can rent that. This is the Inspire 2, like if you already want to rent that.
Okay.
Nucleus video sender, like Foxys.
Great.
Yeah. Okay, the lights, there's that both sky panel. I mean, like you don't need any gels right now, right? Because sky panel is
Yeah,
dead.
definitely.
But exterior is not. It's not nice for you.
No, good for me right
Yeah,
now.
I mean, like if you need 600D, I can provide that.
Yeah.
Small but good setup.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, small but good.
Yeah.
setup. Okay.
Ajay, this is
That's like
just for
yeah,
camera?
it's for DSLR.
Just for travel. Huh,
Yes,
it's like that.
This is also good.
Yeah. This is for,
But we can't use this, no?
No, use it, but this is ekdam just plain small. This is
Yeah, for DSLR.
for travel.
Okay. Oh, this is the Astera,
Yeah.
by the way.
This lighter you
I mean, like I cannot give you because you need the receiver to control
Okay.
the lights. I mean, like you need to control
yeah.
any color that you would like, right, on set. That's why you need like this
Okay.
panel box, Astera, like this one.
Yeah.
Controller.
Yes.
The remote control.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Yes. Oh, and by the way, this is the Leica R.
Yeah.
This is the Leica R lenses. We do have, but it's only the
Leica
DSLR.
with lenses.
Ya, Sean, bisa bukain nggak kuncinya? Yeah, this is the Leica R.
Okay, this is full frame lens.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, not.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So do you need any coffee, mister? Anything?
Yeah, sure.